Hi everyone, today I am going to install CentOS 7 with LVM. I have already created a virtual machine on VMware Workstation with the specification of 1 GB RAM, 1 processor, 20 GB of hard disk, and this VM is a bridge with the system. So start to install a CentOS 7 with LVM. Power on the virtual machine. Virtual machine is taking time, I think little bit. Just press install to install CentOS 7 with LVM. It's taking time, don't worry. Press enter. It's taking little bit time. Okay. Actually, this is the process of checking an ISO file. So you can skip this by pressing skip. It is starting installer, taking time. Okay. Yes, the installation of CentOS 7 is start. Uh, just press continue. You can take another language. Here I am taking a language English with the English United States. Press continue. Okay. For date and time, I have select a, a region Asia and city Karachi. You can take as per your region and city. Okay, got it. For time frame, I have changed the time frame. At this time, the time as per my region and city, it's 6:15 p.m. 6:15 p.m. Click on network time for on. Actually, it's connected with the network. Just press done. Then for keyboard layout, you can also change the keyboard layout by just press enter. For standard keyboard layout is English US. Just press done. For language support, you can also change the language. I've already selected a language English. I just press done. You can select any language like French, another. Done. Okay. For software installation is a minimal installation, not a graphical installation. I've just created a CentOS 7 with LVM. The basic purpose to demonstrate this video how to install CentOS 7 with LVM. Here you will get a concept of the logical volume partition. The logical volume partition actually means that you can resize your volumes. Actually, first you create a volume group. Okay, I will tell you in where I'm going to create a logical volume. So here just select minimal install, press done. Okay, in installation, for installation, create a logical partition. Click on installation destination. Here I have selected a 20 GB of hard disk. You can select a hard disk as per your own requirement. Okay, for logical volume partition for means you create a specific size of logical volumes. You can select I will configure partition. Here you will uh, create a specific size of volume. Okay, click on it, just press done. Here you can see that a small window is appear where you will create a CentOS 7 partition as per your requirement. You can create a standard partition also. You can create a logical volume partition. Logical volume means you can create a specific size of partitions as per your requirement. Okay, here I am creating a partition boot, root, home. It depends like a specific partition as per the requirement, like backup, app, db. So here I am creating. First I create a boot partition. Just press plus button, then select boot. I am taking a size 1 GB. Not 1 GB. Okay, it's not long. It's not long problem. 1 GB. 1 GB is enough for boot partition. You can see that a mount point is boot and desired capacity is 1 GB. Click on add mount point. Boot partition is created with a standard partition. Boot partition not require a LVM. File system is XFS. Actually, it's a default file system and it's much faster than other file system in Linux like extension 4, extension 3. XFS is a journaling file system. It's much faster than others. So just select it. Write a label boot. Name it's already selected SDA1. Okay, already get it. Just click on reset. Not reset. Place the current selection. Just okay. Either it's a problem. Okay, just press it's created. Just for second partition, add a new mount point. For root, its desired capacity I'm taking 8 GB. Click on end mount point. Okay, click for LVM, click on LVM. For volume group, create a new volume group. Actually it's a concept. For LVM you can create first you need to create a volume group. I am creating a volume group with a specific name like LVM and taking the whole size of the hard disk. Just click save. The partition of new volume group is created. Click on modify and save it. Okay, the volume group with the single LVM is created. Okay. I am taking a root for root partition, default file system XFS. Give the label name root and the name is already root. Okay, click on update setting. The root partition has created. For second, just click on plus, select the mount point home. Here I am taking a desired capacity for home is 5 GB. At this time the available space I have 11.6 GB. So for home partition, home logical volume partition, I am taking 5 GB. The mount point is, you can see that the mount point is home, desired capacity is 5 GB. Click on add mount point. Okay, here you can see that the device type is already LVM. You can change as per your need, but here I am creating a VM of CentOS 7 with LVM. So I'm only just create a boot partition of standard, and other remaining partitions I am creating on a LVM. Device type is LVM, volume group is LVM, and inside the volume group a logical volume is created, home. Label is home and name is already home. Just mouse over. Click on another partition for plus. Here I'm creating, I'm previously tell you I'm creating partitions like customized partitions like backup. You can create app partitions like that. You can create DB partitions. Actually it's CentOS 7, so you can take a similar concepts on another OS like Oracle Linux and Red Hat Enterprise 7, and then you can do anything. So here I am creating a LVM based installation. I am installing LVM based installation on CentOS 7. So I am just creating another customized partition with the name of backup. Okay, I have a available size almost 7 GB, so I am creating a mount point of backup with a size of 5 GB. Click on add mount point. Okay, mount point is backup, desired capacity almost 5 GB. You can take the desired capacity as per your need. Device type is LVM, volume group is LVM. File system is default file system, and XFS is much faster than other file system. Okay, label is I'm giving a name of label is backup. Okay, when all the partition created, here already a 2 GB of space, almost 2 GB of space remain. So for understanding for better understanding, this is enough to create a boot partition, root partition, home partition, and a customized partition backup. You can create another partition if you have enough sizes. So I have already created a partition of root, boot, and boot partition on standard, root partition, home partition, backup partition on LV. Just press done. Accept changes, then begin installation. Okay, you can give in a name of network and host. For network, I have DHCP server. Actually, it's a device that given an IP. It's a router based device, DSL modem. Just click on button. It's taking an IP from the devices. At this time it's taking IP 192.168.10.11 with subnet mask and the gateway and DNS, and given a name of host name CentOS 7 LVM. Click on apply and click on done. After all the configurations, I have already set a date and time, language support, keyboard. For software, I have selected a minimal installation. You can select a graphical installation. For system, I have selected customized partitions. I have given a host name in network and host name, and the IP I have selected as a DHCP. Cake term is already enabled. With security policy, I have not selected any security. I have not selected this time. Click on begin installation. Okay. During the installation, set a root password. Root password must be secure. Here I am giving a simple root password for just remember me. Okay, just press run. You can create another user with non-administrative privileges. I have created a user with the name of Wave. Given a password. Okay. You can also make this user as an administrator. Just press run. The installation is taking a time. So and just pause it. Okay, I resumed. So you can see that the installation of CentOS Linux 7 with LVM has successfully installed, completed. Just press reboot button. It's rebooting. It is taking a little bit time after the installation. Okay, log in with the root user, enter the password. Okay, just type a command df space dash h capital T. Here you can see that whole file systems, a root partition with a size, and the other partitions home and backup and boot. You can also see that by the command bgs or volume group. Here on the 8 MB free of the volume group with the name of LVM. If you want to see a logical volumes, just type lbs. Okay, here you are seeing that a partition backup with a size of 4.66 GB a partition of home with a size of 4.66 GB and a partition of root with a size of 7.45 GB is available. If you want to see a physical volume, just type a command pvs. Here is only a single disk is used for the volume LVM concept. Okay, this is whole video that how to install a CentOS Linux 7 with LVM, and here you can learn how to create a logical volumes. I think you are understand. So this is enough for understanding how to create a logical volume partition and how to create a manual partition. But this is video for the installation of logical volume on CentOS Linux 7. Thank you so much.